Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the most current and up-to-date Amazon deals. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. SICHY Office Chair. Comfortable seat is made of high-density molded foam and sofa fabric instead of cheap rebonded sponge. Mesh seat makes you feel comfortable in a day work. 90-degree folding armrests can be turned up to save space. High bearing capacity base with smooth and silenced rolling wheels, max capacity 300 pounds. Original price, $199.99, now discounted 50% to $99.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. NODOCA desk cup holder with 2 space-saving hangers for headphones/handbags. Suitable for 0.5 foot 2.1 thick tables. Package size, 4x4x4 inch. Can be used as a gift for businessmen or game lovers. Suitable for all cups, bottles, coffee, milk tea, etc. less than 3.3 inches in diameter. Original price, $26.99, now discounted 40% to $16.19. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. BEDSURE Tufted Duvet Cover Queen. High-quality microfiber ensures that this boho duvet cover set will not fade after washing. Machine wash on a gentle cycle in cold water, separately. Air dry or tumble dry on low heat. See care label for instructions. The duvet cover has 8 corner ties and is easy to attach to the insert. Original price, $44.99, now discounted 66% to $14.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. HUANUO Monitor Stand. This height computer shelf can hold up to 44 pounds. It can be used as under desk printer stand, PC stand, laptop stand riser, computer monitor stand for desk organizer, etc. Multifunctional slot is long and thick enough to hold your phone, tablet, or pen. Original price, $29.99, now discounted 50% to $14.99. Number 5. XVDOIZO Solar String Lights. Solar string lights are equipped with upgraded 180-degree adjustable monocrystalline silicon solar panel. Waterproof solar string lights have 8 modes: combination, wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing, fade, twinkle, and steady. Solar outdoor string lights can bring different atmosphere for your camping, birthday party, anniversary, Halloween, and Christmas. Original price, $26.0, now discounted 61% to $10.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. 2 PCS Wardrobe Clothes Organizer, 7 Grids Foldable Closet Organizer. The clothes storage adopts mesh ventilation design, which is hygienic and clean, effectively reducing the odor of clothes. The pants organizer is made of a foldable design, easy to fold when not in use to save space. There are multiple compartments for sorting and organizing your belongings and keeping your living space organized. Original price, $24.97, now discounted 56% to $10.98. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. Sakahyro 25W USB-C Fast European Plug Adapter for iPhone 14/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/14 Plus/13/12 AirPods Pad. Sakahyro 25W plug takes up very little space when plugged in. Durable and efficient, USB-C charging plug encased in durable ABS material. Fast charging block gives you a maximum output power of 25W. It takes less time to fully charge your device. Original price, $10.99, now discounted 40% to $6.59. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. BBE LED bathroom mirror with dimmable light anti-fog makeup mirror, 40 by 24 inch. LED lifetime, 50,000 hours, copper-free environmentally friendly materials are used with silvered reflection layer. IP68 waterproof rating ensures safe lighting in wet bathroom environments. Turn on and off the anti-fog according to your needs, safe and energy saving. One long touch to the button to adjust the brightness, once quick touch, 10s, when touch button to turn off the light and restart the light. Original price, $149.99, now discounted 33% to $99.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. BOBOLEE iPad Air 10.9 case iPad Air 5th generation case 2022/iPad Air 4th generation case 2020. Trifold design provides you with a 65-degree vertical mode and a 30-degree horizontal mode. When the case is detached, it can be used as a mobile phone holder. With built-in strong magnets, automatically wakes or puts your device to sleep when the lid is opened and closed. Not compatible with iPad 10th generation. Original price, $27.99, now discounted 53% to $12.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. Wireless retro game consoles built in 10,000 plus classic games. Product name, Mini Game Console. Features, 10,000 plus games, including 9 simulator games, support 4K HD output, support save game progress, double version joystick gamepad, number of games, 10,000 plus, gamepad type, 2.4 GHz wireless controllers, battery not included. Original price, $199.99, now discounted 80% to $39.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. MIAOFAIRY Dog Hair Remover, Cat Hair Remover, Uproot Cleaner Pro Pet Hair Remover. This tool is so versatile and is designed to pick up lint and pet hairs from furniture, bedding, carpet, and more. It effectively removes all pelts and reduces your pain in cleaning all fur. This reusable hair remover no doubt serves the required purpose without any compromise, giving you efficient and satisfactory results. Original price, $9.99, now discounted 40% to $5.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. EPPO T-ball set for kids 3 to 12 years. EPPO boy and girl toys. The T-ball set is suitable for family day or weekend, either indoor or outdoor sport toys game for kids and toddlers ages 3-5/5-8 or up. Perfect gift idea for birthday, party, Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. Original price, $29.99, now discounted 50% to $14.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.